The 3 rules to a less complicated life. Rule 1. Do right. Just do the right thing. Lou says, we've all done dumb things and wish we hadn't done them, but you can't go through life with an albatross around your neck saying, I made a mistake. Say you're sorry, make amends and move on. He added, I think it's wrong to be bitter. We all have a reason to be bitter. We've all had injustices done to us by society, by a spouse, by a friend, but you can't go through life being bitter. We're always blaming someone else. Wherever we are, it's because of the choices we make. Rule 2. Do everything to the best of your ability with the time allotted. Lou says, not everybody will be an All-American. Not everybody will be first team. Not everybody will be great. But everybody can do the best they can with the time allotted. Rule 3. Show people you care. I have seen this rule in action many times. Lou is constantly asking people, how can I help you? How can I assist you? And he means it. He has a deep down burning desire to help people,